This footage shows a real predation event involving a live animal. Viewer discretion is advised. This isn't scavenging. You're watching a herring gull kill a live pigeon. In cities, some gulls have developed the ability to hunt. Pigeons, slow, distracted, plentiful, have become a new kind of prey. The gull pins the pigeon. It flaps, struggles, but the outcome is already written. And it happens. Other pigeons just walk past. No panic, no warning, no alarm. It may look heartless, but this isn't cruelty. It's nature without pause. In survival, there are no sides. The gull kills because it must. The pigeons walk on because they can. This is city wildlife, raw, adapted, and often unseen.